guys, today I am going to do an experiment, and that experiment name is how to make crystal by using Epsom salt and hot water. So first I have put the Epsom salt in it. Now I will put equal amount of the this hot water, and now I have put it, and now I will stir it. Hello guys. Now I have mixed it, and see its color. It is now pure and pure white. Now we will add some color in it, blue color. Now I am adding this much only. Now we will stir it. See how it is looking. We will do some fast like this. Now it is all and all mixed, and now I will put this in the fridge. Now guys, I will put this mixture into the refrigerator, and it will freeze for overnight, and it will convert into crystals. Now I will put it there. Now I will close it. Guys, I have already the crystals, so to show you, and see after overnight it will look like this, and see it will look like this. See carefully. And thank you guys for watching our video, but don't do this experiment without your parents' supervision.